Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library again, and today we're going to talk about a special day that's fun. It's in February and it's Groundhog Day. And when you pick up your craft, it's going to look like this right here. And it'll have a paper on the outside of it like this. And you're going to do some fun Groundhog Day stuff. And the first thing you'll do is you'll get to cut and paste all of the parts of the groundhog. And then over here you get to finish the picture and draw your groundhog. And you'll probably want to color them too. And then when you turn it over, you have two more things to do for fun. And you're going to draw and compare a groundhog shadow. And then over here, you're going to find those missing items hidden in the picture. So that's going to help you to keep your skills sharp. So that's the first thing you'll get. And then when you unpackage your kit, you will get all of these things here. You're going to get a little blue cardboard piece that says it's Groundhog Day. And this explains to you what Groundhog's Day is and what you do with it and what happens, and are we going to have 6 more weeks of winter or not. So that's for you to look at. And all of that is about the groundhog seeing his or her shadow. Okay? And then you have all of these pieces. Okay? Glasses, a tummy. Looks like this is a big nose, and looks like that's some little pink ears. Looks like this is maybe a scarf and a tail. And what you do is you take all of these foam pieces and you attach them to your groundhog just like this. And then when you're all finished, you take the blue string and put it here. Now, if you want to, one of the things that you can also do is when you put your string in there, this little card has a hole in it, just like that right there. And you can take your string and you might want to attach that, and then you could you could tie your little knot in it like this, and that way your groundhog, you can take this and turn it to the back, and your groundhog will have his little explanation card right with him. Here's your groundhog, and on the back tells all about Groundhog Day. So have fun with this craft, and happy Groundhog Day. Thanks, guys.